Hello everyone, I'm here today having a couple of issues with Facebook actually embedding YouTube videos right on a page or on your personal profile. It's been that way for a couple months, but I wanted to just do a little demonstration for everybody so that they would know exactly what to do and how I'm able to still get it to be like this, where you actually just click right in Facebook and it plays. That's a huge thing. Lots of studies have shown that people, when they're on Facebook, don't prefer to leave Facebook. So links aren't always the best thing. If you can embed a video, it's best just to go ahead and do that. So let me get started. First, you got to find out the video that you want to embed. I'm going to go over here to a YouTube channel. This is the video that I want to share. So I'm going to go here. Up here, you can't share something, embed something that isn't a watch link. And by that I mean the word watch will be right here. So actually what you need to do is you need to click right on the main title of the video to get something like this where it says watch. Okay, and what you can go ahead and do is just copy the whole thing and go back to your Facebook page, and actually here where it says what's in your mind, actually make sure you click this link button right here, and you'll know you're there because it'll have that HTTP thing. So you just go ahead and paste that in and click attach, and it may not work. That's one of the bugs that I'm talking about. So what you have to do is what I do is I start whittling it down by I take off this last part. Okay, sometimes there'll be an extra equal sign in there with some extra stuff. You can always take that off. The main thing that you always have to have is this right here. This is the core of all YouTube video links. Is what is it, whether it's embed or watch or whatever, and then this is the code. This is actually the code for the video right here, is this little part. So you always got to have that in there no matter what. This extra stuff where it says and whatever, you can leave that on. I've found that different combinations seem to work. It could be just luck, I'm not sure, but I'm going to go ahead and try this. And it looks like it worked. Okay, so the key is, you want to do that. Sometimes there's other ways that you can do it too. I'm going to jinx myself, may not be able to get it to work, but sometimes what I've done is I've actually just typed the word embed at the end, the ampersand here, and the word embed. Okay, sometimes that works too. In this case it didn't. I think what I did have obviously was working, so I'm going to go back to that and just leave it as the and feature. Just leave that on the end of it, and that works. Okay, obviously one of the key things is you need to clean these up a little bit. It's great for YouTube, whatever, search engine optimization to have certain words and things, but you don't need to do that. In this case, this is the Insider Show Milwaukee team update, and then a little bit of an update. We're back at it. Here's an update, and then just hit post. Boom. Okay, and always make sure you like and comment on something. Something interesting, like it's getting cold out, still having fun. Boom. Something, doesn't matter, but you should always do that for the way that the edge rankings work on Facebook. Facebook actually gives you a little bit more credit if you have more comments and likes, so you might as well kick it off with your own comments and likes. So as you'll see, this update worked. We've got the our viewers are able to watch this right here, right inside of Facebook, which is exactly where they want to watch it. So hope you found that helpful. Definitely it's a little tricky. You just got to keep playing with it, but the key is each one will not necessarily work. You just got to make sure that you're using that watch link and that you try a couple different things, and hopefully Facebook and YouTube get their act together and get this stuff fixed soon. So have a great one.